Want homegrown veggies? In just a few weeks? No kidding. Today I'm revealing 7 crazy fast crops you can plant in Zone 8 this May. And wait till you see 5, it practically grows overnight. Hey there, fellow gardeners. If you think you missed the spring planting window, guess what? May is actually perfect for these speedy vegetables. I'm talking quick harvests, minimal fuss, and flavors that'll make store-bought produce taste bland. Plus, I'll share my secret trick to speed things up even more. First up, radishes. These are the race cars of the garden. You'll see sprouts in just 3 days, and they're ready to harvest in 20-25 days. Just scatter seeds inch deep in loose soil, keep them moist, and boom, you'll have crunchy, peppery radishes before you know it. Perfect for impatient gardeners. Next, baby spinach is the ultimate cut and come again crop. In just 30 days, you'll be harvesting tender leaves for salads. Plant seeds inch deep, about 2 inches apart. Here's a pro tip: harvest the outer leaves first and the plant keeps producing all season long. Number 3 is my personal favorite, arugula. This peppery green is ready in just 3-4 weeks. Scatter seeds in partial shade. It bolts in hot sun, and you'll have gourmet salads for weeks. Fun fact, the more you pick it, the bushier it grows. Now for 4 bush beans. These are magic plant them, and they practically grow while you sleep. In just 45-50 days, you'll have crisp, sweet beans. No trellis needed. Just plant seeds 1 inch deep after the soil warms up. And here's a bonus, they actually improve your soil. At 5 baby bok choy. This Asian green is not only fast, 30 days, but also heat tolerant. Plant seeds inch deep and keep the soil consistently moist. You'll love the sweet, crunchy stems and stir fries. Number 6 is the ultimate space saver, green onions. Grow them from seeds or even grocery store scraps. They're ready in just 30 days for that fresh, oniony kick. Plant them close together, they don't mind crowding at all. Finally, baby kale. While full-size kale takes months, you can harvest tender baby leaves in just 25-30 days. It's practically indestructible and gets sweeter after a light frost. Talk about a superfood win? Want to turbocharge your harvest? Here's my secret: soak larger seeds like beans and peas overnight before planting. It softens the seed coat and cuts germination time in half. Also, use black plastic mulch to warm the soil faster. Your plants will thank you. So, which of these speed demons are you planting first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, it helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more Zone 8 gardening tips. Happy planting, and I'll see you in the next one.